everyone, I'm Neva. I'm the Communications Director here at the Children's Museum of New Hampshire, and I'm going to unpack one of our holiday gift kits so you can see what's inside them. They come in these really awesome tote bags that Unique Fidelity College Investing Plan donated to us. And they have 6 projects in them for kids to do, along with an extra one just for the kids. So each of these will create a gift that kids can give to a loved one as a present this holiday. And then there's an extra gift just for them to create and craft. Look at all this fun stuff. We've got a clay mosaic project. Comes with these cool beads and clay. Everyone loves clay, right? What's this one? This one is decorating a frame. I believe we have some tissue paper, foam brush, and some decoupage stuff in there. And then the frame in the back. That's always a fun gift. Stick a cute little photo of your kid in there. And what do we have here? Ooh, bonus activity. So this one's just for the kiddos to make and keep. Looks like maybe we got like a little keychain, little snowman, something holiday related. Not quite sure what that is. Ooh, and a scratch art ornament in the shape of a reindeer. So you know how these work. You scratch them off and there's rainbow colors underneath. That's always fun. Let's see, what is this one? We've got shrink art. Oh, this is always fun. So you remember the Shrinky Dinks, adults, grown-ups? I'm sure you remember those. So you color them, they're special plastic, you stick it in the oven and they shrink right up. So there's a couple of those, colored pencils included. So this one is make a centerpiece, and it comes with this cute little wooden box, glass candle holder, candle not included. You can use an electric candle though. And then you have to fill it with some evergreens or pine cones. And then you can paint the box with the watercolors that come in, or the paint that comes in it. That is super cute. And you can see we have directions for everything. Very easy to follow directions. Let's see, that's the centerpiece that we just saw. And then over here we have static electricity ornament project. Let's see what's in here. The educator's going to kill me for unpacking all this, but fill this little plastic ornament with all these little things and make a prediction or a hypothesis about which of those things will be attracted to static electricity. And you can test it by blowing up the balloon, rubbing it on something like a little carpet or your head, and then hold it up to the ornament and see which of those things follow it around. Very cool. Fabric banner project. This looks fun. Oh, very cool. This beautiful canvas banner that you can use these paint and stamps to stamp on here, and then you can hang it up for decoration. So these are all the awesome things that we have in these kits. They're available now. You can pick them up at the museum. We don't do delivery of them, but you can pick them up at the museum here in Dover. So I hope you'll consider purchasing some. We might run out soon, so hurry up and get them while you can.